Step 1. Log on to the admin portal by using your login credentials. Step 2. Click on Manage Employee Data and select Process Payroll. Click the suitable option, Attendance/Active Users, Payroll Cycle, Month and Company. Click on Remove Pagination if you want to view all employees in one screen. Please note that the Generate Payroll On, Payroll Cycle and Month fields are the mandate rest could be utilized as filters. Once a month is selected, click on Submit. You can view the list of employees with their pay structure and details. Select the employees to whom you want to process the payroll. You can edit unpaid days in the Unpaid Days tab for any particular employee. Changes will be automatically reflected in the structure. You can also edit if you want to make changes for any editable components like loan, TDS, adjustments. Once all the changes are made, click on Save option. While you save, you have to click on the mandatory checkboxes. This will freeze the payroll for that particular month and payslip will be automatically generated. Payroll fields will reflect in green. This means the payroll calculation has been successfully done. In case of any changes in the payroll, you can select the particular employee, make necessary changes in the field and click on Recalculate option. Select all the records and click on Save. Export salary processed data. You can download the processed salary data by clicking on the Export option in the right corner of screen.